Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. I'm Grumpus. Well, it's the middle of the week, trying to pull something together for the family tonight. I think tonight we're going to do some skewers over some charcoal. It shouldn't take very long. The wife will be home in about half an hour, 45 minutes, so I'm guessing this will take less than an hour. So stick around, I'll show you what we're going to do tonight. Well, it looks like the charcoal's ready. As I showed you earlier, I moved the fire grate out of the firebox up to a higher shelf. We lit up a full chimney of charcoal, got it dumped in there, and then dumped another full chimney on top of that. So everything's glowing nice and even. It's time to put these veggies on. Now I gotta tell you, now don't those look pretty? We've got some green bell pepper, got some summer squash, some red onion, tomatoes, got some red bell pepper. I'll keep this real simple. Just going to put these on first because they'll take longer to cook. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these. Like that. We've got a theme going here this month. Got us some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. This is what we're going to put on our shrimp, so we might as well put it on the veggies too. Alright, let's flip these over. Alright, let's get these put on. Alright, my skewers are not quite wide enough to go across the firebox, so I've got some rebar that I put in here. I'm letting the griddle top weight hold them down, and we'll just see if that how close I got these skewers. Oh, that's pretty darn close. Boy, that is hot. Woo! I may have got them spaced a little bit too wide. There's a little more Gator Shake on here. Now these are going to cook pretty quick. In fact, they're probably not going to cook through. We want them a little crunchy, but we'll get a good char on them, a little bit of a blister, and they'll be hot. Well, while our veggies are blistering up, let's go ahead and get these shrimp going. Aren't those some beautiful shrimp? Got some 2025 brown Gulf shrimp. Get away from their fly. We're going to do the same thing. Let's put a little olive oil on them. Come back with our Gator Shake. These are going to cook really quick. We won't even put these on until we pull the vegetables. Alright, we'll just let them sit and get happy. And be right back. Alright, it's time we flip these. Try and get just a little bit of a char on these. I'm surprised we haven't lost them tomatoes yet. You know what? I'm not telling anybody that happened. We can do that to a steak. Why can't we do it to the vegetables, right? These go just a little bit, and then we're going to pull them off. They got a little bit charred, but I like them that way. Well, I'm going to call these finished before I lose all my tomatoes. Let's get these off of here. Alright, let's get these shrimp on. Alright, we'll let them go and get happy for just a little bit. Alright, as you can see, they're getting opaque. Starting to firm up a little bit. It's time to pull these. So let's try one of these shrimp. Uncle Steve, that's good. It's got a little citrusy taste to it. A little bit of heat on the back end, but not too much. Yep, I really like that. So I'll give Uncle Steve's a try. I'll leave a link to his website down below. Yeah, this is good. I'll do this again. Hey, if you like what we've done tonight, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? We'd sure appreciate it if you wanted to do that. And appreciate y'all tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. Well, I'm Grumpus. We'll see y'all next time. That's some good stuff.